Good morning, Your Honor. Grace Broughton.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Davis, Your Honor. As soon as he gets settled, I'll ask him to unmute himself and state his name. Mr. Davis, if you could unmute and state your name and turn on your camera.
Simeon Davis, Your Honor. Are you the same?
All right, thank you, sir.
Yesterday? Excuse
I
me,
didn't hear.
are you the same attorney that came to see me yesterday? You look totally different.
Nope, that's me.
Couldn't be. No, absolutely not. You're not the same attorney that saw me yesterday. Well,
Yes.
maybe I could be incorrect. You don't look the same.
It was me.
Okay.
Um,
Do you remember what we talked about?
yes.
Well, this is nice.
Yeah.
I'm going to, well, I'm supposed to be going to,
Your Honor, Mr. Davis, let me handle this, okay?
okay.
All right, good.
Your Honor, I
Hey,
had a
now-
chance to,
What are we doing?
Judge, I had a chance to speak with Mr. Davis and Ms. Broughton and with Mr. Dowd, who I think would be the bind-over attorney on these matters. We're looking at a global, perhaps, specialty court resolution in this matter. I'd ask you to adjourn this 2 weeks so that we can continue working on that.
Okay.
All right. Did you want the 25th
Does
or?
the judge know that I've been locked up here for 7 months in max? And I've been on suicide over 20 times and my life is in danger here at this facility? That I had, my grandmother died as well as my great aunt, and I'm like really going through
8.
breathing periods.
Mr. Davis.
A couple free days.
Judge Simpson's aware, I think, familiar with the process of this case.
I am, and I'm also aware that there are 9 charges pending. Just so that we get all that on the record.
I couldn't hear you, excuse me?
So I'm aware of everything that you just said, but also would just add that there are 9 charges that are currently pending.
Okay, 'cause
So they're trying to work through to get them all together. I don't want to talk, Mr. Davis. I don't want to talk about the charges because anything you say could be used against you. So I'm not going to have that conversation with you.
Okay, because they told me.
Your counsel has indicated that he is trying to do a global resolution for you, which at least on the face of it, from what I'm looking at, makes sense.
So I'm going to.
So, okay. And again, Mr. Davis, I'm not arguing with you.
No, because the gentleman yesterday said I was going to mental health court.
No?
Well, the gentleman yesterday is the same person that's here. I don't know what happened.
So I'm not going to mental health.
I've known Mr. Gaddy a long time and he doesn't change forms. Mr. Gaddy, how much time?
Mr. Davis, please stop it now.
No, he was a lot better than you. He was not bigger than you. He was older than you. He had a mask. He definitely wasn't you. And he told me I was going to mental health.
Okay, I don't want to go into what we discussed yesterday. Judge, March the 25th will be fine.
That works for the
Why are
people.
you? I would like to see the same attorney that I saw yesterday that mentioned mental health court.
Okay, one more word, I'm cutting your mic. May 25th, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond will continue in these matters.
And what is
Thank
the
you.
bond, Your Honor?
Thank you.
What
One
is
more
the bond, Your
word.
Honor?
Cut his mic. Can you pick it up? Which one? Court, let's call the case. People versus Kashid Daly.
Can you hear me? Apologize, Your Honor. Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Your Honor, Gina Noveski, First Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Daly, who is appearing from the jail.
Mr. Daly, can you state your name?
Rashad Daly.
You got anything you want to say?
Well,
No, don't say anything. No, don't say anything. All
He
right.
didn't want to
ahead.
go.
What do
He
we-
didn't want to go next, Your Honor. But
I know he was trying his best to be quiet. I was looking at him. He's trying his best not to say anything to me. But go
He
ahead.
did great.
What do we do?
Your Honor, I did reach out to Miss Londy yesterday, and she and I had a brief discussion about the case, but we need some additional time to continue to discuss a possible resolution. So I would ask to adjourn the probable cause conference, but I would ask to address bond as well.
Ms. Lundy, is that correct? Were you talking to Ms. Noveski, or was
It was somebody
It was-
else. I am a shapeshifter.
morphing public defenders?
It was, I believe, Ms. Noveski. We did not speak
Oh, okay.
live, but I do
I'm
believe,
just checking.
I do
I
believe
did-
it was her.
I mean, they talk to people and change. All right. How long an adjournment did you need, Ms. Noveski?
Well, that might depend on the bond, Judge.
Okay, go ahead, argue your bond.
All right.
The court first called the case of People v. Simeon Davis, where Mr. Davis appeared virtually from jail with his public defender, Michael Gaddy. The defense informed the court that discussions were underway for a global resolution, potentially involving specialty court placement, because Mr. Davis currently faces 9 pending charges across multiple files. Defense requested a 2-week adjournment to continue negotiations with the prosecution before the court could proceed. Mr. Davis attempted to address the judge personally, expressing that he had been held for 7 months in maximum security, had been placed on suicide watch multiple times, and felt his life was in danger at the facility. He also spoke about recent deaths in his family and ongoing distress. The judge acknowledged these concerns but firmly instructed Mr. Davis not to discuss details related to the pending charges, reminding him that anything he says can be used against him. The court also clarified that the public defender present was indeed the same attorney who spoke with him the previous day. Despite Mr. Davis believing they were different individuals, due to repeated interruptions, the judge warned Mr. Davis to remain quiet or risk being muted. After confirming both sides were still working toward a comprehensive plea resolution, the court adjourned the matter to May 25, 2023, at 9 a.m. Maintaining the current bond status, Mr. Davis was then removed from the virtual session. The court next heard People v. Kashawn Daly, with the defendant also appearing from the jail. His attorney, Gina Novisk, appeared for the public defender's office. She informed the court that she had attempted to discuss the case with the assigned prosecutor the previous day and needed more time to negotiate a possible resolution. Ms. Novisk requested that the probable cause conference be adjourned and asked the court to review the defendant's bond, indicating that further conversations with the prosecution depended in part on that issue. However, confusion arose when the prosecutor stated she had not spoken with defense counsel. The judge acknowledged the miscommunication but proceeded to address scheduling. Before continuing discussions, the judge gave Ms. Novisk the opportunity to argue bond, hinting that the court's scheduling decision would depend on the outcome of the bond review. Hearing concluded with bond arguments forthcoming and the probable cause conference likely to be adjourned for further negotiation between the parties. For more information, like and subscribe my channel.